I'm here today with Dr. Guest at Kent University. He's been working with ISO and looking at handwritten electronic signatures. Can you tell us about that work?
Yes, the work of the ISO committee that I'm involved in is to develop data interchange formats for the whole range of biometric devices. What this means is that data collected on one device can be stored in a standardized format that can be understood globally by other systems.
You've carried out research into the timing data collected by a variety of signature pads. Can you tell us about that?
Yes, certainly. What we've done here is that we've looked at the stability of the timing data that's coming back from a whole range of devices. As I said, the data needs to be very, very stable to get the best out of the dynamic data that we capture. And what we find is that devices which store away the timing information on the tablet rather than relying on the host PC have a lot more stability in their the timing information that they produce.
So in effect, they're much more accurate when it's collected, the timing information on the device as opposed to the PC?
Correct.
Why is that timing information important?
Simply because modern automatic signature verification systems rely on both the static image, the output that as a person draws, but also how they actually drew the signature. So this involves accurate timing information about where the pen was at a particular time.
And you found these differences between timing captured on the PC and timing captured actually on the device itself. What did you find specifically for the LigaPad then?
The LigaPad stores data away, it stores the timing information on the device, so therefore it doesn't get affected in the same way as other tablets which actually rely on or other systems which rely on the PC storing away the timing information.
Okay, you've reviewed the LigaPad's patent. Can you tell us a little bit about that, please?
I was actually an expert witness for the LigaPad patent, and this was the novel aspect of this was the fact that the data was stored away on the device.
That's the patent protected feature?
That's right, yes.
Okay. Now, in terms of the audit trail provided by the LigaPad, can you tell us a little bit about that?
It's becoming increasingly important to actually source biometric data, so actually have an audit trail about where this data was actually created to get around the issues of forgery. So therefore, a device which actually stores away, actually has a serial number connected with the data is very, very important.
So this serial number on the LigaPad means that you can go back and prove that it was working correctly later? You
can prove which device created it and indeed that it was working correctly.
Professor Uglo carried out a legal report into the significance of these timing issues and audit trails with the legal context in the UK and across the EU. Would you say then that this timing data was very important in terms of the way that he interpreted the information and produced the report?
Yes, I do, yes.
Great. Dr. Guest, thank you very much. That was very useful for us.
Thank you.